If you're waiting for the Temecula real estate market to crash, this data might surprise you. Homes are taking longer to sell, interest rates are down, and buyers have more leverage. But not everywhere. Let's talk about what's happening in the Temecula real estate market right now. Hey, I'm Derek with Cruise Team Realty, your local Temecula real estate expert right here in the Inland Empire. And I help people looking to buy, sell, or relocate in the area make smart real estate decisions every week. This is your January 2026 Temecula market update with real data and none of the hype. The big picture with what's happening in Temecula is that Temecula is now classified as a somewhat competitive market. We are no longer in the frenzy days, but we are not in the buyer's free-for-all either. This is a market in transition, moving toward balance. Home prices, what's happening with home prices? Medium home prices are up about 1 to 2% year over year, very modest growth. Price per square foot is only slightly higher. And the translation is that prices are holding steady and that they are not skyrocketing. This is a stabilizing market and not a collapsing one. Inventory and supply. Well, Temecula has about 2.5 months of inventory for single-family homes, and that's technically still puts us in a seller market territory. Condos and townhomes are even tighter, closer to 1.5 to 2 months of inventory. And inventory rose earlier this year, but it's now starting to level off. When it comes to days on market, we're starting to see slowing sales in Temecula. Homes are taking about 40 to 45 days to sell. That is up significantly from last year. And that's a big shift from the sell in 10 days era. That's really not happening anymore. Buyers now have time to think, and sellers do need to be realistic about that. So when it comes to negotiation and pricing trends, roughly 25 to 30% of listings are seeing price reductions at this point in time. Homes are selling for about 99% of list price on average, and still nearly 40% of homes are selling above asking. So yes, negotiation power is back, but good homes still get competed over. When it comes to the sales activity, in November, we did see a strong jump in sales, and that was up over 30% year over year. But year to date, sales overall are still down. And so this tells us buyers are re-entering the market as rates start to come down. Interest rates, what's going on with interest rates? That is the game changer today, right? So the 30-year fixed rates are now hovering around the 6% range, and that is down sharply from last year. That drop alone has bought buyers off of the sidelines, and lower payments equals more demand, which equals pricing stability. What we're seeing when it comes to relocation and migration trend for Temecula is that Temecula continues to attract buyers from high-cost cities like San Francisco, Seattle, Boston, and Chicago. That was pretty surprising to me. I also happen to know that we have a lot of people relocating from the San Diego and the Orange County areas into the Temecula, Murrieta, Winchester, and Menifee area. These particular buyers bring strong purchasing power, and that's one of the main reasons prices here are holding firm. And what this means for you is if you are looking to purchase here in Temecula, you finally have leverage. There's more time, there's more negotiation, and there's fewer panic offers. But the best homes still move fast, so strategy definitely matters. And for you sellers out there, you can still sell near top dollar, but pricing and presentation are critical. Overpricing is going to get you stuck, and correct pricing is going to equal strong activity. Just like when we do these open houses out here, if you're priced correctly and you're getting that up and you're advertising it properly online, people see that it's priced correctly. People are savvy today. They're going to go and they're going to look at Zillow, Redfin, every avenue that they can find to see if that is going to be in line with the pricing in the area. So again, if you are overpriced and you don't have a good strategy, that's not going to really help you if you are a seller. That's just going to create more days on market for you. And for you relocation buyers, Temecula does remain one of the best value plays in Southern California, especially compared to the coastal markets. I mean, when you just look at the cost, there is a huge delta in cost, much cheaper out here. And when it comes to the 2026 outlook, expect modest price growth. There's not going to be a huge boom out here. Inventory should slowly increase. Rates are going to be staying lower, which supports continued demand out here. And keep in mind that this is going to be a strategy-based market and not a guessing market. So if you guys are picking a real estate agent out there to sell your home or strategize on you purchasing a home, remember that it does come down to strategy, just not kind of like a guess and a hope, okay? If you're thinking about buying or selling or even relocating into the Temecula area, reach out to me directly. I will definitely build a personal strategy based on your particular situation. And make sure to subscribe. These monthly updates keep you ahead of the market, and I want to be able to continue to bring you this information. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.